Okay, unbox the Stitch Mini Sew blind box that they got for Christmas. I want the pure
Or the pink one.
coconut juice, this one, the beige, or the blue one.
One back there?
Honestly, all of them are cute.
Can I
Yeah,
see them?
there is.
Yeah, I feel like you're gonna get that.
You think I'm gonna get it?
Let me see.
You want the pink one?
I gotta see it again. Turn around, just so I can see. Yeah, that one. I think you're gonna get that one.
Okay.
What? That's sick.
I'm not looking. Chat, what did I get? Oh, cute! The little... Okay, I like this one. The little pineapple guy.
That one is cute.
Get the little Stitch.